Imagine a world where groundbreaking scientific research is derailed by hidden internet routing errors, exposing sensitive data and slowing progress. This isn't science fiction. It's a real threat facing researchers today. Scientists rely on powerful research and education networks, RENs, to share massive datasets across institutions and borders. But these networks are vulnerable to routing issues that can silently redirect data, causing delays and potential security breaches. The problem? Current tools often fail to detect these issues, leaving network operators in the dark. But here's where hope emerges. The University of California, San Diego's Supercomputer Center, SDSC, a leader in the new School of Computing, Information, and Data Sciences, is spearheading a groundbreaking initiative called ROOTBEER, Routing Operations Observational Technology, building to enable education and research. This project, funded by the U.S. National Science Foundation, NSF, aims to shed light on these hidden routing anomalies. Empowering network operators to safeguard the digital backbone of global science. ROOTBEER brings together the expertise of cybersecurity researchers at UC San Diego's Center for Applied Internet Data Analysis, CAIDA, and engineers at Internet2, the organization behind the high-speed network connecting thousands of U.S. universities, research institutions, and cultural organizations. Every day, researchers transfer mind-boggling amounts of data, from climate models predicting our future to medical scans revealing the intricacies of the human body. RENs act as dedicated highways for this data, ensuring efficient flow without clogging commercial networks. However, routing errors, like accidental leaks or malicious hijacks, can divert this data onto public networks, overwhelming them and potentially exposing sensitive research. And this is the part most people miss. These vulnerabilities aren't just technical glitches, they threaten the very foundation of scientific collaboration and progress. For decades, the research community has lacked the operational visibility needed to truly secure scientific data flows across the internet, explains Casey Claffey, SDSC Senior Research Scientist, CAIDA founder, and ROOTBEER Principal Investigator. ROOTBEER is our effort to change that. By shining a light on routing anomalies in real time, we're empowering network operators to protect the integrity of research traffic. Led by Claffey, Internet2's Stephen Wallace, and CAIDA's Matthew Luckey, the ROOTBEER team is developing a cutting-edge security-focused routing observatory and operational dashboard. This system will act as a vigilant watchdog, detecting route leaks in real time, identifying vulnerabilities, and guiding research institutions toward best practices for routing security. Here's the controversial part. While ROOTBEER focuses on securing RENs, it raises questions about the overall vulnerability of our internet infrastructure. Are we doing enough to protect all data, not just scientific research, from these hidden routing threats? Project co-lead Stephen Wallace, Director of Routing Integrity at Internet2, emphasizes the project's urgency. The nature of science today is distributed and data-intensive. We're helping ensure that the very networks that enable groundbreaking research remain secure and resilient. ROOTBEER tackles the problem through a three-pronged approach: measurement and analysis, employing advanced probing techniques to detect route leaks between RENs and commercial networks. Operational dashboard, creating a user-friendly platform to visualize real-time routing behavior and flag anomalies. Community engagement, collaborating with state and regional RENs and universities to adopt new routing security protocols and best practices. The ultimate goal? To transform cutting-edge research into practical tools, enabling network engineers across the U.S. to proactively detect, diagnose, and fix routing issues before they impact performance or compromise data privacy. This project bridges the gap between internet measurement science and on-the-ground operations, says Matthew Luckey, consulting research scientist at CAIDA and ROOTBEER co-lead. And it's designed for long-term sustainability through integration with Internet2's operational network management infrastructure. ROOTBEER aligns perfectly with the NSF's Cybersecurity Innovation for Cyber Infrastructure (CICI) program, which aims to safeguard the integrity and availability of U.S. scientific data. We see this work as foundational for the future of scientific collaboration, Claffey asserts. It's not just about fixing today's leaks, it's about building trust into the infrastructure that accelerates scientific discoveries and innovations. This crucial research, supported by the NSF, award number OAC 253871, runs from October 1, 2025 through September 30, 2028. What do you think? Is ROOTBEER a crucial step towards securing scientific data, or does it merely scratch the surface of a much larger internet security issue? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Source: https://www.sdsc.edu/news/PR25171. ROOTBEER. Carter Liu and Kimberly Mann Bruch, SDSC.